Hi, my name is Rati Mishra and I work with an organization called the Samarthanam Trust for the Disabled. We work for education and employment for people with disabilities. Disability perhaps at the moment is one of the largest issues and perhaps the most neglected. The World Health Organization puts the population of disabled people at 15% of the global population, and 80% of these live in the global south. And I'm talking about 80 million people. 800 million people, and of this, almost 70 million people can be found in India. Yet, disability remains the most neglected cause. So, the organization that I work for, Samarthanam, though we have a very strong funding base from the corporates, we are now looking at expanding our mandate to include advocacy, to include inter-organizational partnerships, to include intersectoral partnerships, to be able to bring disability out of the little well in which we seem to go round and round to a more public platform, to more public spaces. And that is something for which we really need to raise money. We need to raise money ourselves. We need to be able to work with our partners on raising money. And at the same time, I do continue to work with several organizations as a trainer and a consultant, including the Resource Alliance. And I find that there aren't enough platforms for learning, for engagement, for expanding your knowledge base within the country any longer. And therefore, I think I need to explore the global arena. Part of my work also with Samarthanam is to look at the overseas fundraising. And for that, again, we need best practices, we need mentorship, we need coaching, we need to learn from best practices globally. And for that, I would like to come to the IFC this year. Thank you.